Hi, good morning. Holly Meyer here, and thanks for joining me. So, I have an interesting one for you. The other day, I received an email, and the subject matter was whether or not flashing your headlights was legal or illegal. Tell you the truth, I never really thought about it, so I decided to do some investigation. And what I found was quite interesting. You see, not all states are the same. It is legal in some states, while in other states, it's illegal. And here's why. You see, when we flash our headlights, we're not just doing it for no reason. We're actually communicating with each other. We are communicating with our fellow drivers. Either we want to let them know you'd like to pass, so you flash your headlights to ask them if they could move over for you. Or you want to let them know that, sure, you can pull in front of me. Or let them know that their lights aren't on. Then there's the one that I've actually done. You want to flash your headlights to oncoming traffic to let them know you just passed a police officer. Now, this is the one that has caused a lot of legal issue. You see, the states that made it illegal, the argument was by flashing your headlights to oncoming traffic and warning of a police officer was interference with governmental investigation. That's right. You are interfering with police officers being able to catch speeders. Now, the problem with this, when challenged, was the fact that you needed to show a crime was actually being committed and that the person who was flashing knew about the crime. That is, was the driver speeding and the person flashing knew that they were speeding. Kind of a tall order. But the other argument, which was brought to some of the state's highest courts, was that flashing your headlights was constitutionally protected communication, and therefore the laws were unconstitutional. That's right. Like I said, when we flash our headlights, we're communicating with each other. And the First Amendment's protection of speech also protects various communications. So when we are communicating with our fellow drivers, we are actually protected by the Constitution's First Amendment. So those laws were struck down. Now, some states have found a way around it. You see, the First Amendment, though it protects our freedom of communication, it does not protect all communication and speech. Any communications that create an immediate risk of harm or imminent danger, these are not protected speech. So, some states have altered their theory that flashing to oncoming traffic can cause temporary blindness, creating a risk, and therefore made it illegal to flash your headlights to oncoming traffic. We'll see how long it lasts. So, the next time you are driving and you decide to flash your headlights, double check, is it legal or illegal in your state? And all you have to do is just do a little Google search or Yahoo or whatever search engine you decide to use. Here in New York, it is legal. But if you find your state is illegal, you might want to challenge the law itself. You do have a constitutionally protected right to flash away. So, this is just another piece of information and advice from me, Holly Meyer, your mother-in-law. And I hope you join me again real soon. Thanks a lot.